Hello friends, this is Scott and it's June 6th and it's time to check on the fall planted garlic in my raised container. I usually pick in June and it is a week later than I usually start picking, and let's take a look. Now we're starting to see some yellowing. This is how you can tell when garlic's ready. You start to see some yellowing and you start seeing the stalks of the leaves fall over, but they're just barely starting to turn brown and they haven't fallen over yet. So let's take a look and see what we got here. Looking through here, we've got some grass from the hay, and we've got a sunflower or two, but we've got some dried up ones along the edges. The other ones look like they're still growing and still green. So I'm wondering, is today the day to start picking these garlic? But the only way to tell is you've got to look at a couple. Here's one, let's see, oh, here's a drier one. Let's take a look at this one. This one looks like it's browning up fine, and it looks like it's ready to go. So let's pull this one out and see what we got. Let's see. Again, these are oh, that's a nice one. These are store-bought garlic, soft neck. That's what I use to plant in my beds. And this one looks like it is ready to pick. It's got great clove development, it looks like. If all of them are like this one, I think we're in pretty good shape. Take a closer look and some still photos. As you see, it looked like a very nice garlic head. Here's it is cleaned up. All I did was hose it off a little bit, and you can see the huge clove development. Very nice. And here's, I'm going to spin it around a little bit so you can get a good look with the cleaned up garlic. And I'm very happy. I mean, there's bigger garlic in the world, but this is a very nice head. And if I was at the grocery store, I would definitely pick this one. This one's perfect for what we need. And great root structure, it looks like. Like you buy in the store is all dried out. It's been through a curing process, and you don't get all the essential oils as you do with a fresh garlic. So this is an amazing experience if you've never done it, is to take a brand new grown garlic and just cut the top off and cut the roots off. And let's see what we've got in this garlic. The smell is just amazing. The oils, and I could already smell it, and I already can feel it on my hands. There's nothing like a fresh garlic. So let's take a little slit here. They're a little bit hard to get apart when they're fresh and they're not dried out. So I'm not going to try to break these. I'm just going to cut some more of the top off. And now, oh, that's kind of a cool view. So let me pull some of these, this outer paper off, and so you can see kind of the development, kind of a different look. There it is. You can see the individual cloves that have developed off one. So let's see how many of cloves we have. So we planted, each clove produces its own plant, its own bulb with a bunch of cloves. So let's see how many we have here. As I pull them apart, they're all nicely shaped and sized, just the perfect size for what you need. One or two of those in any meal would be perfect. And again, the oils in these is just amazing. I mean, I'm going to have the smell in my hands for probably days, but I like garlic, so I'm not going to worry about it. But let's pull the last one apart here and see what we've got. Oh, I guess I have one more. I've got to clean up a little bit before we're ready to start counting. I got to cut the roots off, the final piece. I've not done the greatest job of cleaning. I'm just doing it quickly. Again, these will dry out on the counter, but I'll use a couple of these with some eggs and onions today. But let's see how many we got. Looks like 9. One of them's broken into several smaller ones. I'm not going to pull them all apart, but there's 9 nice little cloves of garlic out of one bulb. I guess my concoction of mix that I put in the planting bed did better this year, but again, this is just one. I need to check them all out and see how we're doing. But anyway, that's looks like we're ready to pick. I think I'm going to wait for maybe another couple days because the other ones are still a little bit green. But we're going to pick them soon, and I'll show you the entire harvest. Well, thanks for watching this video, and I appreciate your support. And if you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you.